Good girl. Anyway, you guys, we got Luna at the park. She decided to go for a dive. Anyway, so I don't know how much you guys have been working on the place thing. Luna! In your place. Now, let me just start working on that. All three. So same thing. I do have my sound box on today. Hold the pager down. I can just always start it slightly before. You guys know that. Luna! Good. In your place. Now. Luna. All good. So for now, you're really just working on, we're working towards the 3-action drill. But Luna, in your place. Just get her going now. Down. Good girl. Good. Just a little klutzy. All through. She really wasn't on her hip right there because that thing's kind of on a hill. In your place. Holding it down, letting it up. Good. Work right away. All through. In your place. Holding it down. Good. All through. Always standing with the hand closest to her. In your place. And good. I don't know, I can't remember whether you guys got caught or not. Anyway, we'll be right back with a little bit of healing.